welcome to today's video. We are camping in Alexandra. We are fishing in Eildon. We are targeting cod, yellowbuddy, redfin and trout and anything else. Today I've got my buddy JSB Outdoors. He'll be linked in the description. Beautiful scenery up in Alexandra. Love it in the nice little nap. Getting out of the Big Daddy Deluxe. To a beautiful view. Can't wait to go fishing. And we've made it to Eildon on the kayaks. Our plan is to fish along the banks. Yeah, should be fun. We've made it to this spot. We're gonna flick just spinnerbaits and stump jumpers, and then we're gonna burley up some corn and cheese. Reckons it's a good spot for Murray cod and stuff. I would eat a lot of my stuff if I was a fish. Yeah, exactly. Dude, where the heck's the bottom? I did not do that, rusted. A bird has nested in my spool. We just found a really nice hole. We're gonna bait up and burley and try and get some carp. We're gonna go as far as we can in, burley up, try and get all the cod up, and we'll fish on the way back. But I'm gonna see how far it goes in. But this looks absolutely scrumdiddly-dumptious. Look at all the bugs. Be good if there was top water. Landed on the shore, baiting up on the river. I'm gonna try and catch fish off the shore. We'll most likely hop back in the kayaks and paddle out, but we're gonna just bait up here. Feel like a carp.
No, it's a carp.
Is it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah. Carp that's been biting my... Yeah, it's a carp. That's a nice carp.
It's a good carp.
It's good as.
That's pretty decent.
Let's go!
Fish.
Oh, he spat it out. Oh, no, he didn't. Did he? No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, he did? Cool. I want to pick him up, but I don't want him to bite me, so I'm going to put my finger in
No,
there.
you can hold him in by the mouth.
Yeah.
We don't want to fish like Lucas. You can...
Put him down.
Yeah, sorry. Do you want it? Oh, do you want me to? Sorry.
The carp looks so interesting. Alright, that thing's been biting my line for the last 25 minutes. Maybe more. Oh.
Don't go too deep because it feels really weird with his tongue. Just grab it and
How?
feel good.
Ready?
Hold it just like this if you want. Just no other hand. Just like that. Yeah. Oh, I'll take a quick pic first. Good photo.
Yep.
Alright, good carp. We're not going to put it back.
We're not? Oh yeah, you
because
gotta
they're
kill him.
illegal, so this carp isn't going to be making it back into the waterway.
Here's a going on. You gotta stop eating my trout.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Good fish.
Oh!
That's a big one.
Is he still on?
Yeah, I'm going to grab the net. I just need to go in real quick.
No. He got me stuck. Ah.
You're getting some bites right now.
Yeah, we both are.
Both of us are. I'm just going to video for the next minute.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. 100%. Ooh, that was a big twitch.
You should be ready to grab this.
No way we both get hooked on the same time.
Double hook up?
That would be sick.
Okay.
No.
No.
Just stepped on my hook tip. Oh, I'm gonna fish!
What?
Oh, I didn't know what was happening, man.
Big one?
Big one. He's pulling my drag.
Oh, really, really good. My bad.
Murray cod? No, I think it actually is. No way. Can you... No!
What? big old log right there.
That was a good... Get the net. I'm not losing you this time. Yes, I am. Not losing you. Don't you smack me off again.
Good, you need a reel, or he will get you on there.
Has he got me? No, he's still there. Oh, good.
Reel. Oh yeah, he's a good one. He's a good one. Reel.
I'm reeling.
Yeah.
Damn, he's big. Go. Do not lose him. Grab him.
Oh my goodness, I'm on a tree. Oh.
And now I'm on a tree. I'm in a tree. Did he spit me out? No, he didn't. Just... Videoing? Yes, I am. Let's go. Alright. Second carp of the day. Hooked. Get him on the measuring tape. Oh, that feels so weird. Oh, come on, man. Oh, it's a big one. No, 46 and a half. 46 and a half. Can you take a picture? Yeah. With me and him? Yes, please.
46 and a half. Got it. Can't do the other.
And you're not allowed to keep these, so... We've had a pretty good session so far. I've caught 2, Jayden's caught 1, he lost 1. We've lost a couple. We lost a couple of sinkers and stuff. Stuff on the brag mat. We're gonna go have lunch. Great carp spot. Most likely we'll come back again. So we're just gonna, just paddle up and fish the sides slowly. Well, we just finished our one session of the day. Took 5 hours, caught 4 fish out of both of us. Great place. That's carp for you. Wish we caught Murray cod, but at least we caught a fish. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.